I think Tesla is testing and calibrating Cybertruck's production line. These casting images show, friends. I'm seeing and learning about some very unique things regarding the Tesla Cybertruck and want to share with you here, guys. Yesterday, Tesla Giga Texas drone operator Joe Tegtmeyer shared some very strange casting images from Giga Texas, which were neither Model Y nor Model 3. I asked Joe what they are, and he said they belong to Cybertruck. Listen to what Joe told me, and after I quote him, I will tell you the real significance of these images and what Tesla may be very likely doing with the Cybertruck. This is going to be very revealing. So Joe told me rare casting tests for the Cybertruck are shown in these images. These castings are their bare form and haven't undergone the removal of excess flashing. These tests are likely among the initial casting trials conducted at the 9K Giga Texas facility. It's speculative, but this could indicate that testing and calibration of production line machinery and related equipment are currently underway at Tesla Giga Texas. Taking into account the timeline for Model Y production line set up at Giga Texas, it is assumed that production line testing of Cybertruck and calibration commenced in May. The first complete assembly tests of Cybertruck will probably occur in July or August, initially on a small scale with a limited number of vehicles. Some of these test units may be sent for NHTSA crash testing during this timeline. It is important to note that similar testing might already be in progress for Cybertrucks produced at the Fremont pilot line, but it may be necessary to conduct tests specifically for the Giga Texas produced versions as well. Following these steps, final preparation will be made to start delivering sellable Cybertrucks sometime between September and October of 2023. If these assumptions hold true, Tesla should be able to meet the delivery event they mentioned, which is expected to take place in the fourth quarter of this year. Now, the significance of what Joe told me regarding the Cybertruck lies in the information shared about the progress and potential timeline for its production at the Tesla Giga Texas facility. Here are some of the key points Joe told me. Rare casting tests. The images shared depict the rare castings of the Cybertruck, which are undergoing testing and evaluation. This indicates that Tesla is actively working on the production of the vehicle's testings. Second, testing and calibration. The mention of testing and calibration by Joe suggests that Tesla is fine-tuning the production line machinery and related equipment at Giga Texas. This is an important step to ensure efficient and high-quality manufacturing. Third, production timeline assumptions. Based on the timeline of Model Y production at Giga Texas, the author assumes, Joe assumes that production line testing and calibrating began at Giga Texas in mid-May. I refer to the production line and testing and calibrating of Cybertruck. They speculate that the first test assembly of Cybertruck may occur in July or August, with preparations for sellable units, sellable electric trucks from Tesla to be completed between September and October of 2023. And finally, the fourth point that Joe is telling is the delivery event and quarter four target. Tesla has mentioned a delivery event for the Cybertruck in the fourth quarter of the year. The text suggests, what he says suggests that if the assumption and timeline are accurate, Tesla should be on track to meet this target. So what do you think, friends? Are you excited that Cybertruck is about to hit production, full production, and sellable units to Cybertruck first buyers come delivered to their homes? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, please. This is how Tesla Cybertruck's production line at Giga Texas may look like. I have seen this image yesterday by Twitter user K10. Obviously, this is not a real production line, but an imagination of a painter. But she has shared this image saying, imagine seeing this on Giga Texas factory tour. So this is like how it will look like. Look at the hardwood floor on which Tesla Cybertruck is being built. Isn't it interesting? But we will will very soon see these things, because I believe within a month or two, we will see the Cybertruck starting going into production. What we have heard from Giga Texas, that Tesla is already testing the production. Yesterday, I reported that front metal castings that are reportedly meant for the Tesla Cybertruck have been spotted at the company's Texas Gigafactory by Joe Tegtmeyer, who flew his drone around the facility in Austin on Mother's Day and posted a set of photos as well as a video of the whole flight. A couple of the huge metal castings have been labeled with a big C, hinting at the possibility that they are intended to be used on the Cybertruck. Furthermore, at closer inspection, it looks like the parts include both front wheel wells and connecting pieces that will presumably be attached to the firewall of the truck. In the meantime, we're seeing that Tesla Cybertruck testing has expanded to public roads in Texas for what appears to be the first sighting of that all-electric pickup on street outside of California. When I reported the story yesterday about spotting the front castings, one of our Torque News YouTube channel followers said that he works at Tesla Giga Texas and that they have started testing in the Texas areas, different parts of the Texas as well. Since the Cybertruck has neared production, Tesla has been testing the vehicle on public roads since earlier this year. All of the sightings thus far have been in California, especially in the northern portion of the state where the company's operations are mainly located. Tesla used to have its headquarters in Palo Alto, which is where the earliest sightings were located. With the all-electric Cybertruck being produced in early versions of Gigafactory Texas near Austin, it has been interesting to note that there have not been any sightings of the pickup in the lone state, at least until now. A video courthouse of Dennis B on Twitter actually shows the Cybertruck on public roads in Texas for the first time. Tesla has routinely started testing vehicles that are heading toward imminent production on public roads, and the Cybertruck project has been no different. Although the vehicle is late to initial production, Tesla seems to be gearing up for the first units to be built potentially this summer and delivered in Q3. While all of the testings up to this point, like I said, has been in California, this is the first sighting of the vehicle in Texas that was not for a dedicated event. Last week, Tesla launched its lithium refinery with a groundbreaking event, and CEO Elon Musk arrived in a Cybertruck, and its appearance was eventful, to say the least. However, testing has now expanded closer to where the vehicle will actually be produced. What does this mean exactly? The details are more speculative than anything, and Tesla remains relatively tight-lipped in terms of the development and production schedule of the Cybertruck. We do know that Cybertruck production lines are up and running inside Gigafactory, Texas, based on the photographs the automaker shared during its most recent earnings call. And what I showed you earlier, that photograph is just an imagination of an artist. We also know that based on the number of different units we've seen thus far, there are quite a few prototypes of Cybertruck floating about, which design will make it to production still seems to be up in the air, but the cleanest versions, one of which was spotted at Investor Day, is most likely the ideal candidate to go for full production as the final version of Tesla Cybertruck. So are you excited? What do you think about all of these things, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armin Harayan from Torque News. Let's move on to our next story.